very first lens ever was the Nikon 50mm f1.8D, and I hated it. I hated how normal it looked. Super boring. I just thought either ultra zoomed in, like way zoomed in, or super wide were the only ways to go. And then I matured over a series of years, and for the last 5 years or so I've been shooting 50mm for weddings and for literally everything else. At a wedding, a 50mm is generally, well, it doesn't leave my camera, and it ends up being probably about 80% of my photos. The rest are on a wide, either a 24 or a 35 or now a 20mm now that I'm on Fuji. Ooh, this is really nice. Hold on. Today I'm shooting everything with the GFX 100 Mark II and the 55mm f1.7, which on GFX is equivalent to, someone will correct me, I'm sure, in the comments, 42 mil-ish, f1.1, 1.2. Yeah. Anyway, it's the perfect portrait lens because you can get nice and close and engage with couples or engage with your subject. It's not an 85 where you have to stand fucking at a football field away from your subject and then you can no longer communicate with them, and then there becomes a bit of a disconnect, I think. And being able to have a conversation while you shoot and between images. But that's what I really love it for. Just like really close portraits that still give you plenty of environment. Come over here. Well, this video is not going to be visually very interesting because I'm not really walking away from here with any particularly interesting images, which is probably a testament to the nature of 50. You need a story with 50, right? Like, I think what I struggled with early on with 50mm is that I was expecting the focal length to do the work. You know, with like an ultra wide, everything's crazy, you capture the whole scene, and then with a crazy super zoom, you're like, whoa, I can see across the English Channel or whatever with this thing. And with 50, you actually have to have something. You have to be quite intentional with what's in your frame and with what's out of your frame. And when there's nothing to take photos of, it's really fucking hard to make something good. But yeah, I think as I matured, as I figured that out, I moved away from 35, 85, and kind of unlocked the potential of 50, at least in my hands. I know it's different for everyone, not everyone loves it, and that's okay. Where was I going with that? My arm hurts.